Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how we can promote our posts or do advertising on LinkedIn. So this is my page, homepage. I have my company page that is Brevo. Once I go here, so to promote, you need to have a page, a company page, your product page or company page. And here, these are my posts. Here there is option to boost. Once I click on boost, you see LinkedIn Campaign Manager opens up, and in the Campaign Manager, we will be asked lots of settings, lots of questions, so that we can target our ads diligently in a good way. So the objective is to drive traffic to your page, increase awareness of your post, get engagement or get more leads. Then you can select the audience, profile based, interest based, and there are saved audience and audience templates in LinkedIn. Then location you can select. If you want more, you can do industries, seniorities, functions, job titles. You can also exclude particular company, particular location and all. So there are lots of features here in LinkedIn. And then you have to do the start and end date. Do you want your ad to start and when to your ad to end? And then the budget, you have to set the budget, lifetime budget, that is whole from start to end. And after that, once you do all of these things, you will be asked to continue to payment, and your post, your LinkedIn post will be given a boost, and it will be showed to different people like an advertisement. There is another way where you can do LinkedIn ads. You can directly go to LinkedIn ads. So this is my home page. Once I click on the for business icon at the top right, here you can see there is option to do advertise on LinkedIn. So if I go and on advertise on LinkedIn, it will take me to the advertising page, and where once I do get started, it will open up the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So for the first time, this way you can go, and then you can bookmark the LinkedIn Campaign Manager so that you don't have to go that way every time. Now here, my campaigns are being shown. Since I have not given payment details, so my ads are not running. And then you can create a new ad here. You can create and then click on campaign. And then you are asked, what do you need? What is your objective? Brand awareness, website visit, engagement, video views, messaging, lead generation, all those things are there. So if I select website visit, then you are asked how do you want to build your campaign. So I will select the so this is the new option that LinkedIn has added, that is accelerate beta version. Let's go with that. So in that version, LinkedIn will take care of everything. Now you have to enter the details here of a new campaign. See, I have entered my details of my website. Then I click on the next button. So now, since I have taken the accelerate option where AI is used, so there is a description already created. So you have to put your description here. Then we go on to create campaign. So it's saying you need to add more lines, more description. I have given a big description, and then once I create a create campaign, once I click on it, the campaign is created. It will take you back to your campaign manager. Then you have your campaign details here, budget and schedule, audience signals, placement, conversion tracking, payment details. Since my payment details are not there, I haven't given payment details, so the ads will not start. Here are the forecast results of impressions, click-through rate, clicks, cost per click. These informations are given to you by LinkedIn. That is, I have chosen the accelerate button. So let's quickly choose the classic one. That is the old one, which is being done. So once I go and click again, get started. So the accelerate ad are assisted with AI, and there are lots of previous input being given by AI. Now, if we create the campaign again, we click brand awareness. This is the classic one, campaign group details, group objective, group budget, you say schedule. And once we do that, we will start a new campaign here. Thank you. I think this would help. So actually, this is the campaign manager. You need to bookmark your campaign manager page, and then you can create ads here. Thank you.